Good night, dear mates and tutor. My name is Andrea Villarreal Delgado, and I am going to present to you the video for the Unit 3, Step 4, Understand Intellectual Transfer Negotiations. What is the problems to negotiate biotechnological products? The problem related to the intellectual property. One of the issues to protect intellectual property of biotechnical products is the patenting process for the authors that participate in the construction of the products. So patenting process can be a little confused because not all authors participate in all the stage of the development of the product. A problem with value technology. Take into account that the value and the data that the backup entails, as well as other types of file and items that the company needs for maintaining to itself. And the problem with negotiation is a lack of coordination between people or groups that depend on each other and different goals between them. The definitions and advantages of the technology transfer model. Technology transfer consists in the transfer of skill, technology, as well as knowledge between organizations. The purpose is the continuous transfer of technological advances that promote development. These transfers are produced so that another series of organizations with fewer resources can access scientific advances in an easier and more accessible way. In this way, technology transfers allow the technological development of organizations as well as the creation of value in their products and services. The advantages are generate value and competitiveness in companies, promote the continuous development of organizations, generate knowledge and new products and services, promote research and development in centers and universities, generate innovation and added value to the country, attract investment on the country, and generate intellectual and industrial property. 3 recommendations for each problem defined in the chart. Implementing technology transfer. To face the problem to intellectual property, the model of technological transfer offers the perspective for support products made properly under the research process that specify the conditions of the biotechnological product and its useful life. Highlight the differentiation element. The market is a highly competitive market where the novelty of the service is essential. Customer service, brand image, and added value will make difference. The best example are the projects developed by companies such as Facebook and Google. In their negotiation process, many innovations that these produce actually originate from these innovation centers. In this way, the universities generate projects financed by many cases by the company themselves in order to be subsequently implemented in the companies. Thank you all and good night.